so dumb.
And I used to think how I had things all so figured out. No, now that is true. I knew. And now the truth of it is I want to be like you. So hello, good friend. I want to be next to you. From my head, from my heart, from this truth.